Good morning, friends. I hope all of you are having a wonderful Friday so far. Like we talked about the last couple of days, I am not working today. Today I took the day off. So I pre-recorded this lesson for you guys to watch and follow along with, and you get to sign into ClassKick and do some work for me and kind of jump between the video and ClassKick, and pausing the video whenever you need to give yourself a little bit of time. So with that being said, we're going to get started. I am going to share my screen so you can see a little bit of what I want you to do. So first, I'm going to ask that you get signed into ClassKick. So if you need to know the codes again, for Larson, your class, it's TXCPLT. For Miss Olson's class, it's HNG NWZ. Please pause the video if you need time to look at those and get signed in, and then come back when you're all signed in and ready to go. You should be on page 15 today. All right, we'll be on page 15. So if you are back, and your page should look like this. It has page 15 at the bottom. Up at the top, it does say lesson 17 over here. That is the page that we will be on today when we're on ClassKick. But we're going to start by doing a little bit of a warm-up. All right. So here are the cards. I do have Baby Owl here with me today. So I'm not going to hold the card. I'll have the card on the screen, and then I'll pull Baby Owl up when I want you to repeat what I said. Okay? So here we go. The first card is A, apple, A. Nice job. CK, sock, K. O, octopus, ah. SH, ship, sh. I, itch, I. WH, whistle, w. U, up, CH, chin, ch. E, ed, eh. TH, thumb, th. And again, with that one, your tongue should be through your teeth. All right. Nice job with our warm-up today. So we will be going into ClassKick here in a little bit. And like I said, when you're in ClassKick, you'll have to kind of pause the video and go back and forth in between the two apps. Today we do have some new trick words. So I'm going to go over them really quick with you. So there's 3 of them. All right. So the first one is this word shall. So this one is a trick word because remember we just learned that ALL says all. Right? We've been learning that the last couple days, and it has a bonus letter. But in this word, it doesn't follow that rule. This one actually says al. It's kind of a weird one, and that's why it's a trick word. So it's al, shall, like shall we go out and play? So that's our first trick word for today. Our next trick word is the word full, full. And this one's kind of a trick word because that U does not say It says a different sound. It makes the ol sound. Full. And then it rhymes. We have another one. Pull. So this one is ol, pull. So we have full and pull. Friends, if you need a little bit more time, or go back in the video and rewind it a little bit so you can listen to those again, feel free to do that. It's shall, full, and pull. If you need to review those a little bit and go back, you can. Otherwise, pause the video. In a second here, we're going to go back into Class Kick and we're going to write those words. So when you get into Class Kick, this is what I want you to do. So I want you to go into Class Kick here in a second, because you're still going to need to listen to the video, and you kind of go back and forth between the video, then write it in Class Kick, and then the video. You'll kind of be jumping back and forth today. All right. Or if that's really hard for you, you can always just write these words on a piece of paper and then take a picture of it and post it onto this page if that's going to work better for you. All right. So we're going to write the new trick words right here. Okay. And you can write them after I write them. You can pause the video and then go and write them yourself. So that first one was the word shall, and that one was S-H-A-L-L. And this one, we're not putting a box around the A-L-L because it does not say that glued sound. It doesn't say all. This one says shall. But we can put a line underneath the SH. Okay? And then we have our next one was full. So F-U-L-L. And then our next one was pull. P-U-L-L. So I'm going to zoom out so you can see them a little better. Friends, if you need to pause the video right now to go write these yourself and then practice saying them a couple times, please do so and then come back onto the video. All right? All right, you're back. So now on Class Kick, we are going to be doing a little bit of sounds, some words, some review words, and then we're going to write a sentence together if we have time. We might not get to the sentence, all right? But for the sounds, I have 4 sounds for you that I want you to try to see if you can write, and then pause the video to write it, and then come back and listen to what it actually is. I'm going to tell you what the answers are after you try it. So you might need to pause it to write it, and then come back and hit play to listen to the answer, okay? So the first sound I want you to write right here on Class Kick is the sound or the letters that make shh. What 2 letters make shh? I want you to pause it and go write it, and then come back on to the video. All right, so if you paused it and you wrote it, you're back. And the 2 letters that make shh are S and H. Friends, if you got that right, congratulations. If you didn't, please go back and cross it off what you wrote and write the right answer, SH. All right, so our next sound, I want you to listen to it and then pause it and then write it, okay? Our next one is what letter says All right, pause it, go write it. Welcome back, friends, if you've paused it and written it. The letter that says is U. A U says All right, moving on to the next one. And if you did not get that one right, please cross off the other answer and write a U where it's supposed to be. All right, our next one here. So our third one is what letters say all? All. What 3 letters put together say all? Pause the video and go write it. All right, welcome back. The 3 letters that say all are A-L-L. Congratulations if you got it. If you didn't, remember this is that glued sound. Right? It has the box that goes around it and the star on the bonus S. All is that glued sound that we've been practicing. And our last sound is the sound ks, ks. What letter says ks, ks? Pause it and go write it and then come back in. All right, welcome back. You should have had or what letter says X, you should have a X. X says X, X. All right, nice job. So friends, again, if you're not getting them correct or if you made a mistake, you can always just cross it off, right? You're telling your brain that you did not get it right and this is the right answer. You're fixing that and you're telling your brain to fix it, right? By crossing it off. All right, so our next one, we're going to go down to words. We're going to write some words that we've been practicing lately and sound them out and write them, and then I will tell you the answer. So again, pause the video so that you can give yourself a chance to write it and then come back on and listen to how it's spelled. So the first one is the word thrill. Let's tap it out. Ready? Thrill, thrill, thrill. Pause the video and go write it. If you need to tap it out for yourself, do it again. Thrill. All right, welcome back. Here it is. TH. That's a digraph. R, which is blended with it. ILL, and there's that bonus L. Thrill. 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 All right, friends, moving on to the next one. And again, if you have to pause this video at any time, I know I'm going fast, but that's because I only have a certain amount of time for the video. Pause it, take your time, right? And complete the video in whatever time that you need to be able to complete it in. So here's the next word. The next word is smell. 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 Pause the video, go write it, and come back in. Smell. All right, welcome back. Here's how you spell the word smell. So you should have a S, M, E. E says eh. L, L, because the E is there before the L, and L gets a bonus letter if it does not have a blend. There's no blend here, so a bonus letter is awarded. And then this is a blend because they're blended together. Nice job if you got that right. If you didn't or you made a little mistake, go back and fix it, please, and pause the video. All right, friends, we got some review words. So these are words that we did a couple weeks back that don't have the bonus letters, but they might have some blends or some digraphs. All right? So here's the first one. Skip. Sk-ip. Sk-ip. And in that word, you hear that k sound. So think about that. Pause the video and go write skip. 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 All right, welcome back, friends. We have the word skip. S. K. I. P. And friends, this is a K because there's an I that follows the k. So that means that it has to be a K. Remember, it's a K if it's an I or an E that comes after the k sound. So it's a K, and it's actually a blend. So SK is a blend. All right, let's do one more for another review word. And again, pause the video if you need to go back and fix it up in Class Kick. So here we go. Our last word is the word kilt. K-I-L-T. Kilt. Kind of like what you would wear if you were, I think it's Scottish or Ireland. One of those countries, they wear kilts as their cultural dress or their outfit. Kilt. K-I-L-T. K-I-L-T. Pause the video and go write it, and then come back in. All right, welcome back, friends. The first sound is k. So here I have a K, because it's I, which is an I. Olt. Here's my blend. The LT is a blend, and it has to be a K because there's an I that follows. All right, friends, we're not going to have time to do the sentences. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. You're awesome.